Altcoins have taken a pretty big hit over the last 24 hours, and we've seen meme coins struggle quite a bit. But one project that launched just the other day has already seen major listings on MEXC, on AscendX, and has getting centralized exchange listings and reached a $20 million market cap despite these market conditions. So I recently doubled down and invested, not during its pre-sale, but after it launched, in a project called Bruh. Bruh is a project that is currently available on some of the top exchanges. It's available on MEXC and AscendX. So MEXC is a much larger exchange, but on MEXC, you can see that it just started trading the other day. And while meme coins are down pretty substantially over the last 24 hours and last 7 days, this project, considering it just launched just a few days ago, has seen listing after listing, announcement after announcement, and milestone after milestone. We've seen that this project just was live on Uniswap on August 28th. This is the day that we started seeing a lot of altcoins really take a pretty big hit. We've seen that it's already been listed on CoinMarketCap. We're seeing that in terms of centralized exchanges, it was on and live on AscendX. We've seen major listings on other exchanges like MEXC, and we've also seen that they've had partnerships, let's say with like Zebek cards. So this is a project that is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. If you go over and look on Dex Screener, you can see that this project is already doing some pretty big things. It has pretty decent liquidity right around that 340,000 mark. Currently it's trading just between its support and resistance. There's a support right around 4.7 cents per token, and right now it's trading right around 6.4 cents per token. You guys know, if you've invested in meme coins before, usually when a project launches, they are very volatile at the beginning. You get a lot of the JITs out, you got seeing all these people that are selling, you get all those weak hands out of the market and out of the token before you start seeing it take the next stage and rally to next levels. In terms of what's going on with this token, you can see the price, FDV, is currently right around that $6.5 million mark. So what's going to be very important for this token, with only being created 4 days and 21 hours ago, is going to be that we see this token be able to maintain current levels. Because if it struggles to maintain these current levels, well then it might be a little difficult to see it reclaim those record highs of around a $20 million market cap. But it did reach $20 million market cap. It had a lot of support. And so if we want to see it reclaim those levels, break through 20 million, hit $100 million market cap, we need to see it hold that 4.7 cents per token range. So this is the key level right here that you need to be aware of and need to be watching if you're invested in Bruh. But like I said, with current market conditions, this project stood out to me because it was able to see a $20 million market cap despite bad market conditions. It was able to get listings on MEXC and AscendX despite bad market conditions for altcoins. And this is something that is pretty surprising to see, just in my opinion. So you can see a lot of people seem to be pretty bullish about it in terms of the ratings on Dex Screener. You can see in terms of the number of holders, it's pretty good there as well. And so something that you're definitely going to want to keep an eye out on. If we look at Bruh website, we can see a few things also stand out here. So if we go over to their website, we can see, well, first of all, they have all the different links, let's say to like Dex Screener and Dex Tools. And if on Dex Tools, you can click on that and see the number of holders right there. You can see in terms of number of holders, they're approaching that 3,000 mark. You can see that's still up pretty substantially from its initial launch price to where it is right now. It's ranked number 1 on Hot, which is something pretty exciting to see. And if we're looking on their website, we scroll down and it says, look, meet Bruh, the lazy green monster that doesn't give about anything or anyone. Bruh is sick of watching meme tokens recently bleed to zero and be left with a true Bruh moment. He decided to launch his own meme token, Bruh, powered by the legendary Mike Wazowski. Bruh face, our mission is simple: spread the Bruh energy and far and wide. Let's make every Bruh moment count. Bruh. So it says, look, in terms of tokenomics, liquidity burned, 0% sale tax, 1 billion supply, ownership is renounced. These are all things you like to see for a new meme coin. In addition to this, you can see they talk about how to swap it, but the thing is now it's already available within 4 days of launching on the biggest exchanges in the world, like MEXC, and other centralized exchanges like AscendX. Next thing I want to talk about with this product is going to be that if you look on their X, and we look on their Telegram, you can see that they've gained a lot of of attention and traction on social media. So currently they get quite a bit of interaction per post, despite only having around 4,000 followers. So having 4,000 followers isn't the highest you'd see for a meme coin, but getting engagement of 40,000 views for a post, getting, over 200 likes basically per post. This is something that shows the community is really strong and isn't going anywhere. So like I said, the important thing for this token is going to be that it needs to maintain this 4.5 cents per token level. As long as we can maintain that, I am bullish on this project long term. But that is the key level that you need to be looking at and you need to be aware of, because for meme tokens, the hardest thing is that, yes, a lot of them rally, a lot of them do extremely well after launch, and Bruh did, $20 million market cap. The hard thing is going to be maintaining the community and continuing to rally despite market conditions and despite the initial bag holders selling off part of their, tokens. Last thing I just do want to mention is going to be in terms of the overall market, because right now we've seen a few major things going on in the overall market that you just need to be keeping an eye out on. Because right now we've seen that Bitcoin has dropped below $60,000 per coin. Ethereum is well below $3,000 per coin. Solana's down around 15% over the last 7 days. And these are all things that affect meme coins substantially. So like seeing double-digit losses for a lot of top altcoins and cryptocurrencies is going to drag down the rest of the market. So even if we see like Bruh or Pepe or Brett or other meme coins fall, it doesn't necessarily mean those projects are bad or that they are going to be doing terrible for the next 6 months, because you guys know, just like all investors, and we've talked about this in videos before, when Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana and Dogecoin and Tron are all falling, well, we're going to see the smaller cap projects fall a little bit more. But then when they start having a bit of a few green days in a row, then we see altcoins and smaller cap projects rally substantially more. So these are things you need to be aware of and keep an eye out on as a crypto investor, and just need to be keeping an eye out on, especially with Bruh and these levels in terms of trading right around that 4.5 cents per token mark. So I do own this token. I do want to let you guys know that, and I'm going to be keeping an eye out on these key levels over the coming days and just see how everything plays out. But I think it has a strong community. It gets a lot of engagement. It's a fun and interesting meme and idea, and so this is something that I wanted to share with you because, like I said, I do own it.